Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with SendGrid to improve email UI feedback loops step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the SendGrid website. Log in to your SendGrid account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the settings menu in the sidebar. Click on API keys from the drop-down options. Select Create API Key to generate a new key. Give your API key a descriptive name. Choose the appropriate permissions for your use case. Click Create and View to finalize the creation of your API key. Copy the API key to your clipboard for later use. Next, open your email application or service where you will integrate SendGrid. Access the Settings or Configuration section of your email service. Locate the option for SMTP settings. Enter smtp.sendgrid.net as the SMTP server. Set the port to 587 for TLS or 465 for SSL connections. For authentication, use a PyKey as the username. Paste your previously copied API key as the password. Save the changes to apply the new settings. Test your email integration by sending a test email. Check the recipient's inbox to verify receipt. Monitor email feedback loops by accessing SendGrid's Analytics dashboard. Review the data to understand email performance and make necessary adjustments. Adjust your email content based on the feedback received. Continue to iterate and optimize your emails for better engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.